Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great and having a wonderful day. This evening, I finally decided to get my hair cut. My hair had grown quite long over the past few weeks, and honestly, it had become difficult to manage. During the scorching summer season, long hair can be really uncomfortable. You sweat more, your hair sticks to your forehead and neck, and it feels heavy throughout the day. That's why I thought it was the perfect time for a fresh haircut. But today's video isn't just about getting a haircut. It's also about the importance of grooming and how small habits can make a big difference in our confidence and overall well-being. Many people think a haircut is only about looking good. I used to think the same way. But over time, I realized that it's much more than that. A fresh haircut doesn't just change your appearance, it changes how you feel. You feel lighter, fresher, and more confident. As I walked to the barber shop this evening, I noticed that the roads were still warm even after sunset. The summer heat can be exhausting, especially if you have long hair. That's one reason I prefer keeping my hair short during this season. It's easier to wash, dries faster, and feels much more comfortable. While the barber was cutting my hair, I started thinking about how quickly time passes. It felt as though I had gotten my previous haircut only a few days ago, but several weeks had already gone by. Hair keeps growing quietly without us noticing, just as time keeps moving forward. That thought reminded me of learning English. We don't notice improvement every day, but with consistent practice, the progress becomes obvious. The secret isn't speed, it's consistency. Even 15 or 20 minutes of daily practice can produce remarkable results over time. After the haircut, I looked in the mirror and immediately felt refreshed. On my way home, I realized that happiness often comes from simple moments: a fresh haircut, a peaceful walk, or doing something productive. Before I end this video, I'd like to leave you with one message: take care of yourself, not to impress others, but because you deserve to feel your best. Stay consistent, keep learning, trust the process, and never stop improving. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day.